What's up friends, Amar here, and yes, you can make money online using LeadsLeap, but I don't want to mislead you into thinking that you can make a lot of money with LeadsLeap in a short period of time. Well, the truth is that LeadsLeap members only make modest amounts of money, but the earnings are consistent and recurring. How is it possible? You see, when you use LeadsLeap to build your own online business, you are indirectly activating the 5 ways that I will be describing in a minute and making money automatically and passively. Just focus on building your own business. Making money with LeadsLeap is inevitable. You see, LeadsLeap was founded in 2008 and it is still paying some of their founding members commission until today. This is a very long time people are receiving commissions from LeadsLeap. Myself, I have like many years now receiving commissions from the same referrals that I got like 3 years ago. And LeadsLeap is built to last because they provide real value in an evergreen niche. Every effort you put into LeadsLeap will only multiply in the future and gets you more leads and more profits automatically. And as we speak, LeadsLeap has more than 171,000 members. They come every day to the website to use the free tools that LeadsLeap is providing and also to promote their own businesses. So the cool thing is that LeadsLeap, it provides both things: the tools to build your business and also the targeted traffic. All those people who are looking for ways to improve their performance, to make more money online, they are on LeadsLeap and you can reach them with the ads that you set up on LeadsLeap. Another interesting thing about LeadsLeap is that they offer you a huge bundle even if you are a free member. They give you everything you need to start working on your business, generate some income, some commissions, and then if you want to upgrade for more tools and more traffic, you will be able to upgrade using your commissions that you earned from LeadsLeap. So you have, for example, targeted traffic on LeadsLeap, autoresponder, you can get 10 lists and limited subscribers. Page builder, you get 10 pages, hosting included. You get 10 pop-ups, 199 trackers, and 10 rotators. You have 5 ways to make money on LeadsLeap, which I will explain in a minute, and there are much more advantages of using LeadsLeap to build your own business. So you can start completely for free and you get all the tools you need to start building your business, on top of being able to make money online every day. And if you refer people to LeadsLeap and they upgrade, you will be making recurring commissions month after month. Okay, now let's find out these 5 ways to making money online with LeadsLeap. So when you create a free account and you log into your back office, you will see this section here at the left hand side. It's called Earn. This is where people earn money with LeadsLeap. The first one I'm clicking on here is the referral or the affiliate commissions, as you can see here. But what I wanted to start with is the PPC Earning, pay-per-click. So you should be familiar with the PPC program. Many advertising platforms pay you to send traffic to their advertisers' links. LeadsLeap too, except that you can do it with or without a website. You can see here that I made a total of $29.79, and actually if you have a website, you can post ads from LeadsLeap on your website. This is one of my websites, and this is how the widget which shows the LeadsLeap ads will show on your website. Every time someone clicks on these ads, you make money. How do you get this widget here? Well, you need to be on LeadsLeap, and here under this menu where it says PPC Earnings, you click on Get PPC Widget Code. So this widget, if you like it as it is, you can just click on this button, Get Code, and put it on your website, or you can customize with a few things here: how many columns you want, how many ads you want, and then you just customize this banner here and get the code and put it on your website. There is another way. If you don't have a website, there is another way to earn pay-per-click commissions. You can use a link tracker to make PPC commissions. All you have to do is get to the left side and find the track links here. And then let's say that you have an affiliate link or any other web page link, external link that you want to track. So what you want to do is get that link. Let's take an example from this website. I will just copy the link of this page, go back to LeadsLeap, and I want to create a tracker here. So I click the button and I paste the link that I want to track and click preview. LeadsLeap will go ahead and check the link if it's okay for clocking, and then if you see the website, you just click I can see the website here. So it will be accepted, and after that you want to turn on the monetization in the settings of this link. You click on this button here, go all the way down and make sure monetize says yes. And how long before showing the ads? I prefer making 0 seconds and save. So if I click on this link now, it will take me right away to that web page, but in addition it will show me LeadsLeap ads, and if anyone clicks on these ads here on the left side, I will make PPC commissions. The second way to make money online with LeadsLeap is the traffic co-op. So you should be familiar with traffic co-op. You are given a co-op link, promote that link on other traffic networks, and when people surf that link, you make money. And to find your own traffic co-op link, go back to the section where it says earn here and find the second menu here, co-op earnings. So right away you will see your traffic co-op link. This is mine, but yours will be different. If you want to preview it, you just click on this preview button here and you will see exactly the co-op link. So I put on it an ad bar at the very top, but this is like somebody else's website that is promoted here, but you can of course include an ad bar. If you create your own ad bar, you can adjust it or put it right here and it will show next time the link is surfed. So here is another ad bar that I just put, but the website below is somebody else's website that is promoted on the co-op. And every time you do this, you make money when that link is surfed. And this is the earnings I made with the co-op. I don't really use it because it's time consuming, but I prefer of course the PPC and the affiliate commissions. The third way to make money online with LeadsLeap is just for being an active member. You can be an active member with just 10 ad clicks a day. That will earn you daily cash bonus. It is the LeadsLeap way to say thank you for being an active member. And all you have to do for that is just come to the right side here and you see these ads here. Every time actually you refresh the page, the ads will change, and you click on these ads here and complete the viewing. Actually, you need to properly view the ad and then close it, and then close also this window, and you get back here. To follow up with your earnings, you can just go on the left side here where it says earn, and then you want to go to the daily active bonus here. You can see my stats that I'm not really using this. I'm too busy doing other things, but if every day you click 10 personal clicks here, you will make earnings with this option here. The fourth way to make money online on LeadsLeap is a credit enhancement, or turning your credits into cash. So there are many ways to earn credits on LeadsLeap, and the most simple of them is clicking on other people's ads. When you accumulate some credits, you can turn them into cash. Of course, if you don't want to use them to advertise your own business, so you turn them just into cash. You need to accumulate actually 50 credits to be able to turn them into cash. And here is exactly the page where you do that. You go to the earnings section here and you click on credit enhancement, and for 50 credits you will be able to encash. And today's value actually for 50 credits is 10 cents. And as you can see, I did not make any money from this method because it is time consuming. The fifth and the most important way to make money online on LeadsLeap is the recurring affiliate commissions. When you refer and recommend LeadsLeap to other people, you will be earning monthly recurring affiliate commissions. While most of LeadsLeap services are free, they have dedicated some advanced features that are only available for pro members. These features will help pro members to get more traffic and leads. When your referrals upgrade, you make 50% commission or 25% commission depending on your account, if it's a pro or free account. These recurring commissions, you get paid every month as long as they stay a pro member. Your referrals may downgrade sometimes and upgrade again. It's normal, but whenever they upgrade, you will earn the commission. Their upgrade commissions will go to you for life. And this is exactly where most of my earnings on LeadsLeap are coming in. So this was it, guys. This is my favorite way to make money online on LeadsLeap. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you on my next one.